Hi, welcome to the Xagram software for Xtagram. So now you will see how you can use so many functions. I will do this very quickly. So we have a function like auto repost is this. Okay, you can see here this icon. So when I enter inside, you can check your account. You will put the hashtag place people like we learned before. We will do this in automat, okay, and you can put here something like this, for example, for 1 hour. After 1 hour, this module will take a post from so many people from here, from hashtag place or people. Okay, this module will take the post, also change the caption, also change the name, and it will post the content in your feed. Okay, so this is good when you want to give more engagement in your page, and you want to remove because it's not from you. You want to remove it after 1 hour, 2 hours, or never if you want. So for example, if I take Dragon Ball, sorry, if I take Dragon Ball hashtag, okay, like this, okay, they will take some posts from here, put in your account for 2 hours, and after this they will remove. Okay, and you have also the possibility of doing first comment. You can put here your first comment for the same post, add comment and save. Don't forget to click on save, and after this you must also do active and save, and you will see all the days new posts in your account from different hashtags, place or people. This is about repost, okay, auto repost. The next video will be about the same function but with auto story repost. Thank you.